Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make a no-bake banana pudding. Fabulous. Got this recipe from Jeff over at the Pressure Luck Cooking Channel. Big shout out to you, Jeff. The ingredients you're going to need is 1.5 cups of whole milk, 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, make sure you use heavy, 1 14-ounce can of your sweetened condensed milk, 1 3.4-ounce box of your banana cream instant pudding. Make sure it's instant. If you can't find the banana cream, you can use the vanilla, 1 12-ounce package of Vanilla Wafers or your Nilla wafers, and 5 to 6 large ripened bananas. I'd rather have more bananas than less bananas. Let me show you how simple this is to get together. In a large mixing bowl, I'm adding that 1.5 cups of whole milk, that condensed milk. I use a spatula. Make sure you get it all out of there. Add your package of banana instant pudding mix. You're gonna give this a little stirring before we start to beat it with a hand mixer on medium. We're gonna go ahead and beat this for about 2 minutes. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go. You see the texture's really runny. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cover this with plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator up to 2 hours or overnight. Time to whip those 3 cups of heavy whipping cream with your hand beater or stand mixer, whatever you want to use. We're gonna mix this on medium until we have nice soft peaks. This will take about 2 minutes. After about a minute, I've decided to add a teaspoon of vanilla. This isn't necessary, and I know I didn't have it in my beginning ingredients. I just am assuring you it will raise the flavor of this banana pudding. We got about another minute of whipping, and I've got it on high. Now we have this heavy whipped cream. You want to make sure you don't whip it too much or it'll turn to butter. Back with our pudding mixture. Look how nice and thick that banana mixture is. That's what you're looking for. Gradually take that whipping cream and start folding it in to our banana mixture. So we're just going to go over and above and around to start incorporating the lightness of that whipping cream. You're going to add it all in here. And keep folding till you have all your whipping cream and that banana pudding and that sweetened condensed milk all mixed in with your whipping cream. That looks fantastic. When you see no more white streaks or yellow streaks here through your mixture, you know it's ready to start building those layers that you're going to have in this banana pudding. Back with my bananas. And I don't cut my bananas until I start layering. And back with those Nilla wafers. To build just a single serving of this banana pudding, I cut the top of my banana off, peel it back, give it 1/4 inch slices. For the edge, I like to put a Nilla wafer in the bottom, take the dome shape, put it on the outside so you can have a pretty presentation that you'll be able to see through your glass bowl. If you're using one, these will get nice and soft. We're going to add that filling. Then add your bananas. I don't like to put lemon juice or rinse my bananas in water because I think it really takes away the flavor and the texture. And I think there's enough sugar in the banana fluff here that can help preserve the color and texture of our bananas. You can add a Nilla or vanilla wafer like that and add a slice of banana before serving. If you want to chop your bananas up, you may, but look what a pretty presentation that'll give. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it overnight. That way those Nilla wafers will get nice and soft when you get ready to serve this dessert. If you want to opt out by putting the Nilla wafer and the banana on top, you may, but only put your banana on top right before serving because you don't want your banana to oxidize and turn brown. That's a single serving. Now for a large family serving. I have a large 2-quart glass bowl. If you want to use any decorative dessert bowl you have, that would be perfect. I like cutting my bananas right before I add them on top of my Nilla wafers. Eyeball it and give each one of your wafers a slice of banana. We're going to come back and add that banana whipped cream mixture and kind of smash it down in there so it can really come into contact with those wafers, because you're wanting to get those wafers lovely and soft before serving. And it'll absorb, those wafers will start absorbing the moisture and the flavors from the bananas and from this beautiful creamy texture we're adding. Around the side, I'm going to add the wafer. You want the dome shape out. We're going to go back and add slices of banana on top of the wafer. I really crowded my bananas here on my Nilla wafers. You don't actually have to sit the banana right on top of the Nilla wafer. You can just squish it all in there together. We're going to add another layer of that banana whipping cream and scoot it from side to side. And I'm getting a little low on my wafers, so I'm not going to go around the edge of my bowl here with the wafers, but I am going to add a few wafers here on top as another layer. Again, we're just going to do this. Add the bananas, and I'm going to start crowding this and adding it right here on the pudding because I got plenty of bananas left. I don't have a lot of wafers left because I want to use a few to crush to put on the top. It'll make a beautiful presentation. Once you get those bananas on, you can just kind of push it down in there. I'm going over this bananas and wafers to seal the dill of my banana pudding in a bowl. That's looking beautiful. Now for the top, I'm going to crush these few wafers right in its bag and add them right here to the top of that banana pudding. Right before you serve this, you can add a few little slices of bananas on the top if you wish, not necessary. That looks perfect, and you can even push them down in there a little bit so they can start absorbing all those flavors. This is ready to cover. Time to tell you what it's like, and right before serving, I add that slice of banana, or if you want to dice it or chop it or do whatever you want, or not even add it, that's your choice. And look how beautiful it looks around that glass bowl. Now the true test is to give it a lovely little sample. Here we go. Wow. That banana and those wafers are absolutely light, fluffy, homemade whipped cream, fresh whipped cream. That banana flavoring's coming through from that instant pudding. Those fresh bananas. This is absolutely addictive. A light, delicious dessert. And you made it. Yeah, you're wondering what happened to the big banana pudding dessert I made? Here it is. And I'm taking it to share with a lot of fun people. They're gonna love this no-bake banana pudding dessert. I'm Duranda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.